welcome back. I am just doing my daily claim before we continue with the main storyline. Alright, I completed my daily claims on the daily login rewards. I will go to horse and I will upgrade the equipment. 1, 2, 3. I'm clicking upgrade. Sometimes this does get stuck, and if this gets stuck, you have to restart the game. Other times you just have to wait it out. Like, go get a drink, use the restroom, whatever. You can leave this open for a while. But if it takes longer than 3 minutes, you have to reopen your game.